ORAP. I am Davina. Here are the stories making headlines today.
Davian Bryan, the fugitive suspected to have abducted two girls aged 9 and 13 in Bath, St. Thomas last October, has finally been captured. Bryan was caught late Wednesday night during a joint search by police and residents in the district of Durham, Portland. Police sources had said Bryan was before the court on rape and illegal possession of firearm charges before he allegedly fled to St. Thomas, where he abducted the girls. It is also alleged that Bryan attacked a woman in the Durham district earlier this month. The woman, who was found with her head bashed in, was rescued by residents and later hospitalized. Meanwhile, Prince William on Wednesday expressed his profound sorrow for slavery while addressing a dinner in Kingston, though he stopped short of offering an apology demanded by protesters who are also seeking reparations for Britain's role in the slave trade. William, second in line to the throne, echoed the words of his father, Prince Charles, who had previously described the slave trade as an appalling atrocity. However, Member of Parliament and opposition spokesperson on foreign affairs, Lisa Hanna, later called for more than royal regrets regarding the several years of slavery, subjugation, and colonization which has stained the country's history. According to Hanna, the West, particularly the United Kingdom, needs to seriously engage with Jamaica on the matter of reparations. In other news, a policeman was injured after his motorbike collided with a vehicle being driven by former Speaker of the House of Parliament, Parnell Charles Sr. It is understood that the traffic cop had to be rushed to hospital after the collision, which occurred on Perkins Boulevard at the foot of Queen's Hill in St. Andrew. Charles did not appear to suffer any serious injury in the collision. On the crime scene, Head of the Constabulary's Corporate Communications Unit, Senior Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay, said a 16-year-old boy has been taken into custody in relation to the murder of a Papine High School student on Wednesday. The student, who was identified as 15-year-old Kenneth Williams, was killed during an attempted robbery of his cell phone. Another student, this time from the Excelsior High School in Kingston, has been hospitalized after a stabbing incident at the institution on Wednesday. The student, who is said to be in grade 11, was reportedly stabbed 3 times in front of the school's gates. This is the third such incident involving students this week. Antonisha Chambers, a Jamaican first-grade teacher in the United States, was on Friday arrested and charged with trafficking crystal meth. According to the police, Chambers, who teaches first grade at an elementary school in Fayetteville, was charged with trafficking by possession, trafficking by transport, and maintaining dwelling for the purposes of narcotics and conspiracy. She was in the U.S. participating in an exchange visitor program where teachers are sponsored for placements in public, private, and charter schools in North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia, and Florida.
This has been the ORAP. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Davina.